Not sure what Calc'n'Clean means on your Siemens EQ6? Here's exactly what it does, why it matters, and when to use it. By the end of this video, you'll know how to keep your machine running like new, without guessing. What is Calc'n'Clean? It's a combined cleaning and descaling program built into your EQ6. It removes limescale from the internal heating system, coffee oils and residue from the brew path. Think of it like a reset button for your machine's hygiene and performance. Step 2. When should you run it? Run Calc'n'Clean when the machine prompts you, you notice slow coffee flow, bad taste, or louder operation. You haven't cleaned or descaled in over a month. Even if no warning shows, monthly use is recommended. Step 3. What do you need? You'll need 1 Siemens cleaning tablet for the brew unit, 1 descaling tablet for the internal boiler. Use genuine Siemens tablets for best results. Cheaper ones can underperform or clog. Step 4. How to start it. Go to menu, Cleaning and Maintenance, Calc'n'Clean. Follow the on-screen prompts. The process takes around 30 minutes. Step 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't remove the water tank during the cycle. Don't open the service door. Don't skip soaking tablets first. Let them fully dissolve in lukewarm water. Interrupting the process can trigger errors or require a restart. That's Calc'n'Clean. Simple, powerful, and crucial for long-term performance. Still getting cleaning alerts after running it? Your machine may need a deeper manual reset. We've linked Siemens support in the description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more EQ6 care and fix-it guides. Got a question? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and keep that coffee flowing.